Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk briefly about vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency is very common and approximately 42% of Americans are suffering from vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is one of the fat-soluble vitamin. It's also called sunshine vitamin because you get vitamin D from sunshine. Vitamin D is so important that it's considered as a pro-hormone. That means it helps body make other hormone, testosterone being one of them. So that's why vitamin D is very important for naturally boosting your testosterone. Vitamin D in our body helps facilitate absorption of calcium, phosphorus, and plays very important role in regulating a lot of biological process in our body. Some of the common symptoms associated with vitamin D deficiency are fatigue or chronic fatigue syndrome, poor quality sleep, muscle pain, joint pain, poor recovery after workout, mood swings, feeling depressed or feeling sad all the time, getting sick very easily or poor immunity, increased blood pressure. A lot of other health issues are linked to vitamin D deficiency. So if you're suffering from any of these symptoms, make sure you get your vitamin D checked and optimize your vitamin D. The normal range of vitamin D is from 30 to 100, but you want to make sure that you keep your vitamin D level around 70 at least to improve all the symptoms that I just mentioned. If you have any question, give us a call. Subscribe for more videos and more vitamin D videos to come.